Hello everyone, it's Ben from Flawless Cleaning. Today we're cleaning this grimy driveway. There's not much colours on it, but once I'm finished, this is going to be popping. So yeah, join me along for the transformation. I'm going to get cracking because it's raining. I've already gone through one set of waterproofs, and yeah, I need to meet some natter on. Let's go. And that is why it's worth coming out in the rain. You know what time it is? Lovely. So this is Waffle exterior cleaner. Can't take a day off when it rains, even if you really want to. Once you've got your overalls on, like it's not as bad. I say that, I am still cold, but yeah, this transformation is going to make it all worth it, if that makes sense. And the customer's reaction even better. Can't wait. about. Quick question. So even if you're the pedestrian or me, the pressure washer, as you can see, I've got cones out there. And there's like muck right in front. Obviously, I'm spraying it that way. So you're coming up to me. Do you cross the road and go around me, or do you stand, wait to get my attention, and wait for me to stop, or do you savagely just walk through and get covered? What's your thoughts on it? I just want to know. Personally, right, if I was a pedestrian, I would cross over just to. I don't want to get covered in muck, and I don't want to wait to catch the person's eye. And for me, when I'm pressure washing, like, I'm blasting away. I've got the ear defenders on. Obviously, I'm taking into what my surroundings, but sometimes you just get so stuck into like blasting that you can't always look up, if that makes sense. But yeah, just give me your thoughts. Is your drive looking like that? Well, it could look like that. Hey. Well happy with it. It's coming out really well. I think the drone shots are going to be just amazing. Just sort of dark like this. It's going to be all red, popping and that. Yeah. Looking forward to finishing it off. It's going well. For this one, I'm doing restanding and a weed treatment. Yeah, still got to do the patio back there, but I'm going to concentrate on this for now. Right, this is I've got a good customer. She done me a tea before she's gone out and left me with this. Thank you very much. I'm going to try not to eat them all, but if you see me on this channel, I do eat quite a few biscuits. Sludge galore. All fresh at the front. Right, so now it's got it for a dry day. Come back and sand it. And hopefully treat it for the weeds as well. It's got a bit of black spot around the edging and stuff, but it was a non-chemical clean, and I think it's come up lovely. Yeah, well happy with it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Stir it. Good boy. Right, pour it in now. Again, help me. That's it. Hold it. Ready? Just a little bit this time. What ingredients are you going to have on yours?
Lots of them. So chocolate, I'm going to have marshmallows, I'm going to have fruit, and I'm going to have all of it on it.
All of it?
Yeah. Chili sausages. Put it on my plate.
Okay, be patient.
Put it on my plate.
It's coming.
Is it nice?
Wow. Theo, you're going to be hyper for hours.
What else are you going to put on it? Some fruit?
But what's this ring on it? These ones. 1, 2.
Wow. That looks amazing.
You got loads on there, haven't you? Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.